Hey Jackal, just a quick video on some of the competition that you can enter this month in June 2025. The first one is Oldie But Goldie from Motion VFX. You only have, I believe, until Sunday, so 8th of June. And I believe everyone can enter. They have good prizes and they have two categories for the professionals and the hobbyists. The goal of this competition is to take your old footage that you maybe have not used just yet and then use the Motion VFX effects to make it look nice. And it could look something like that. So I suggest you watch this video, and as I said, you have until June 8th. The second one is from Canon. This one is until the end of June, so 30th June. The most important thing is the participations. So this one is mostly, I believe, for Europe, just based on the countries. And you do have some goodies that you can win. Well, you have goodies to win with all of the competitions. As you can see, the prizes, quite nice. 200 euros voucher for 2nd to 5th place. And I would guess this is for all of the categories. And the categories you have short form storytelling, traditional content, remix, and cinematic masterpiece. And last competition that I found also ends on the June the 30th is the Nikon Comedy Wildlife. So basically just take images of animals that are in funny situations. And this competition is especially good for anyone that is young because you can get this camera and then also this one. You can also sell your photos or get this backpack. Oh, the grand prize, it's a 1-week safari for 2 people. That's it for this quick video. If you'll be participating in any of the competitions, good luck! I'm Simon, and until next time, Jackal, keep it digital.